Right, so the car really want to make me to have an oil change, but how to avoid it and just get rid of this signal? First, turn off the engine. I'm turning it back, right? And now just press the accelerator pedal. And while you're still holding it, press 7 times the brake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright? And you keep holding the accelerator pedal. And just we are waiting at least 16 seconds. Alright? I released also the accelerator pedal right now and turn off the engine. Just like that. Okay, so it's time to turn on the engine again. And it should be all fine. And see, there is no more sign of the oil change. It has been resetted. That's the easiest way.